If you want to lock the screen on Google Pixel 10a, then what you can do is you can simply use the power button. If you press the power button, then you should be able to turn off the screen on your Google Pixel 10a. However, there's a chance that you will see the clock, for example, the weather, and maybe even some notifications in here, which is most likely due to the always on display. So if you don't want to see it after turning the display off, you can go to settings on your phone and then choose display and touch. Over here you should be able to find always on display, so you can turn it off. And now if I lock the screen, as you can see, it is indeed locked and nothing is being displayed on the screen. In addition to that, you can also check the screensaver in here, which is showing up if you are charging your phone. So of course, if you have your phone connected to the power adapter and you try to turn it off and you see, for example, a clock or something else, depending what is selected in here, then you can turn it off in this place. Besides that, you can also adjust the screen timeout, which is the time that is needed to turn the display off by itself. And if you set it to 15 seconds, if you don't do anything on your phone for 15 seconds, then the display will put itself to sleep automatically after that time, once that time is exceeded. There's also the option called looking at the screen, something like keep looking at the screen, or keep the screen on while you are looking at it. There we go, it now turned off. And when that option is enabled, of course, if you are indeed looking at the screen, then the screen is supposed to not turn itself off, even if you exceed the screen timeout. And there we go, screen attention, there we go, this is the name that I wanted to say. So of course, if you, for example, exceed the screen timeout but the phone doesn't want to turn itself off, then you can turn that option off as well. And one more thing that I want to show you is in accessibility. So we're gonna go back into the settings. Over here, scroll down and go to accessibility, and you should be able to find in here accessibility menu. Now in accessibility menu, you should be able to create the shortcut, and there we go. We're gonna tap on these three dots in here, and you should be able to find the lock screen option. So if you tap on that button, you will simply lock the screen as well. So as you can see, we have a couple of different ways that allow you to fully lock the phone and the screen on Google Pixel 10a. Leave a like and subscribe.